AI video generator is going wild every day. Whether you are creating content, running a virtual influencer, create product commercials. Now you can literally do everything with various AI video generators. Viva Go AI is one of the most powerful AI video generators. And in recent updates, it has become more powerful. Today, I am going to share my experience with you. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Viva Go AI is a free AI video generator that can create videos from text prompts and turn any image into video. Animate any part of your pictures using the magic brush tool. Some other new features have been added. Alright, first of all, we have to create an account. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and click on the link. Once you are on this page, click on the Try for Free button from here. After coming to this page, click on the Sign Up or Login button and then create an account. Okay, here you can see a vast library of videos generated by Viva Go AI. On the left side of the page, you will find all the features like video generation, image generation, 3D generation, and others. Let's start our journey with the video generation feature. This is the video generation interface. Here you will find three options: text to video, image to video, and remove background. To generate a video from text prompt, we have to enter the prompt in this box. If you are not good at prompt writing, use this prompt bot. This bot is to generate detailed prompts from basic ideas. After selecting the tool, enter your basic idea. For example, I am typing, "A boy walking in a lush jungle," and then hitting the send button. And here it is, our detailed prompt is ready. Now you can customize the prompt, or can directly use the prompt by clicking on the Use Prompt button from here. Our prompt has been added to the prompt box. Another magic prompt you will find on the top of the prompt box. It automatically enhances your prompt to generate great results. We already generated a great prompt with the prompt bot. I won't use it. Okay, after entering the prompt, set the video duration. You can generate 5 and 10-second videos. After that, you will find the motion strength feature. With this, you can increase or decrease the intensity of motion in your video. Higher values result in more movement. I will keep it moderate. Next, set the aspect ratio between 16:9, 9:16, and 1:1. After that, you can reuse a seed to get similar results. In the end, you will find the negative prompt option. Enter what you don't want on your video. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. Now it will take some time to generate the video. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is, the video is ready. And you can see the result is just amazing. Viva Go generates outstanding results. I love it. Now you can reprompt the video to use the seed, regenerate the video, enhance the video to 4K, and even remove the video background, as I generated a 10-second video 4K enhance won't support this. But the good news is, you can extend the video again to create a longer video. Simply click on the Extend button from here. A new video clip is generating. And here it is. You can see that Viva Go generates an 18-second long video this time. That's amazing. So you can now generate outstanding 4K video clips using a simple video idea with Viva Go AI. Okay, now move forward to the next feature, image to video. To turn any image into a video, first, click here to upload the video. Once the video is uploaded, enter an additional prompt in this box. You can skip it too. My suggestion is to use a good prompt. After the prompt section, you will find an option called Wink. This basically creates expression in your character. Next, with the magic brush tool, you can select any part of the image to animate. Once you are on this page, mark the area you want to animate. If you want to animate 2 or more particular areas, then you can add a new brush from here. This way, add new brushes and mark the area as per your need. Once done, come to the Motion Track tab, and then navigate which direction the movement should be done. Once everything is set, hit the Confirm button. Next, like the text to video generator, you have to set the duration, motion strength, and seed. Additionally, you can add negative prompts. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button, and then wait some time. Okay, this is our result. Viva Go produced an outstanding result. Alright, now let's talk about another very important feature of Viva Go AI Keyframe. If you turn this on, you will be able to add the last frame of your video, and the previous image will work as the first frame. To try this feature, I will use this image as the first frame, and this one as the last frame. So, I am uploading both of the images. After uploading the images, come to the prompt box and then enter the relevant prompt. The Wink and Magic Brush tool don't work on the keyframe. Now set the duration, motion strength seed and negative prompt and then hit the generate button. And here is the result. You can see the video starts with the first image and ends with the last frame image. The movement and motion are amazing. This feature can be used in various sectors of content creation. For example, you want to create a funny video where some potato turns into ducks. To create this video, I created these images using the image generator feature of Viva Go AI. You can also try this feature. Alright, I am uploading the potato image as the first image and then uploading the duck image as the last frame. Now enter the prompt and then all other settings. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. And here is the image. That's really amazing. Now you can use the last frame as the first frame and then add a new image as the last frame to generate longer and consistent video. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with generating videos with Viva Go AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.